Welcome to the StatTree video module for regression. To test whether one continuous variable can predict the likely outcome of another continuous variable, the simple linear regression would be appropriate. You will need two continuous variables in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, any one of the scale questions 3 through 7 would be appropriate for the continuous variables for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use questions 5 and 6. To run the simple linear regression test for causal inference in Spyder, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. If you have already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane, browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for the regression model. With a regression, there are multiple results figures to report. You will need to report the R-squared, the regression model F figures, the unstandardized B coefficient, and the corresponding lower and upper confidence intervals for B. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.